Hello. Take a deep breath. Welcome to our journey. My name is Professor Wolfizzle. I am a wolf, yes, and I am your teacher. We have a very big goal, remember? We want to learn 3,000 words together. Do not be afraid. 3,000 words is a high mountain, but we will walk slowly. We will not memorize long lists. No. We will listen, we will understand, and we will learn together. Today, we start at the beginning. We start with my morning. Let us begin. It is early, very early. The world outside is still sleeping. I'm in my bed. My bed is my favorite place in the morning. It is warm. It is soft. I'm under a big, heavy blanket. I feel safe in my bed. Outside, the world is dark. But then, look, a small light appears. A tiny golden light on the wall. Where does the light come from? It comes from the sun. The sun is waking up now. The sun is very far away, but its light is here. In my room, I open one eye, then I open my other eye. Now, both eyes are open. I look at the light from the sun. It is time. I must leave my warm bed. I push the blanket away. The air in the room is a bit cold. Brrr. My bed was warm, but the room is cold. I stand up. One foot, then the other foot. My feet are on the wooden floor. I'm a wolf. I'm a tall wolf. I stretch my long arms up to the sky. I stretch my legs. I feel my body waking up. The sun is getting brighter now. The room is full of golden light. I walk to the bathroom. I walk slowly. Creak. Creak. The wood under my feet is old. It is an old house for an old professor. In the bathroom, I see water. I turn the handle and the water flows. It is clear water. It is cold water. I take the water in my paws and I splash it on my face. Oh, it is very, very cold. But the cold water is good. It wakes up my skin. It wakes up my brain. Now, Professor Wolfizzle is awake. I look in the mirror. The mirror is clean. I see my face. I see my fur. My fur is gray. It is a nice, soft gray. I take my brush and I brush my fur. Now, I look neat. I look like a teacher. I put on my monocle. This is my special glass. I put it on my eye. Now, I can see every small detail. I'm ready for the day. Now, I feel something. What is it? It's my stomach. My stomach is making a sound. I'm hungry. Are you hungry in the morning? I'm very, very hungry. I walk to the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of my house. In the kitchen, I have my food. In the kitchen, I have my stove. I look at the window in the kitchen. I see the sun again. The sun is higher in the sky now. The light is everywhere. It is a beautiful morning. I take a bowl, a big white bowl. I want a healthy breakfast. I do not want to be hungry during our lesson. I take some yogurt. The yogurt is white, like a cloud. I put the yogurt in the bowl. Then I find some berries. I have blueberries. They are small and round and blue. I have strawberries. They are red and sweet. I put the berries on the yogurt, white and red and blue. It looks like a painting, doesn't it? I take a spoon. A silver spoon. I sit at my table. I eat. It is delicious. The berries are fresh. The yogurt is cold. I'm not hungry anymore. Now, I'm happy. I finish my breakfast. I take my bowl to the sink. I wash it with water. Clean water for a clean bowl. Now, I go to my big chair. It is a green chair. I sit down. I take a book. This is our first book. In this book, there are many words. Today, we learned the first ones. We learned about the bed and the sun. We learned about the light and the feeling of being hungry. We learned about the kitchen and the cold wadi. Do you remember these words? Look around your room. Can you see the light? Are you sitting on a bed? This is how we learn. We live the words. We understand the context. The sun is shining on my book now. It is time for me to read, and it is time for you to rest. Today, we learned about 80 words. That is a wonderful start. Only 2,920 words to go. Thank you for listening, and I will see you very soon for episode 2.